Did you know bunnies have superpowers? Let's find out more. Rabbits aren't just cute, they're fascinating. Did you know they can jump up to 3 feet high? That's like a human jumping over a small car. And get this, their teeth never stop growing. They need to chew all the time to keep them in check. Rabbits also have a 360-degree field of vision, which means they can see behind them without turning their heads. But they can't see directly in front of their noses. Talk about a blind spot. Here's a fun fact. Baby rabbits are called kittens, just like baby cats, and they can have up to 12 baby bunnies at a time. So next time you see a rabbit, remember these amazing facts. Keep hopping and don't forget to subscribe for more fun facts. Lorraine.